guys, it's Jenny Kay here, speech and language pathologist from Chatterbox Speech Pathology. So the holidays are coming up and well, it's been raining a lot outside and we're really needing to do some fun activities inside the house where we're not going to get mud all over us. So as a speech and language pathologist, I thought I'd share with you one of my favourite activities, which is Play-Doh. Now, I know some of you mums, if you're a bit like me, like to see your Play-Doh with all the pink in one container and all the green in another container, and when our children get it, yep, they like to mix it together and it drives you crazy. Well, don't worry, I feel exactly the same way. However, we've still got to play Play-Doh with our children. The reason Play-Doh is such a great activity doesn't just have to do with language, it has to do with their fine motor skills. It's a great thing that we can do to help build their fine motor skills. It's a great thing we can use to help to build social skills, as well as language skills. Now, I want you to think about it. When children are learning, they learn best through being engaged. Are you going to learn about squeezing better if I say to you, squeeze? You say it. Squeeze. You say it. Squeeze. You say it. Or, look, squeeze. Squeeze. You have a go. Obviously you can't, it's on video, but you could go squeeze, squeeze. Stop and think about it. Which one seems more fun? If you think the Play-Doh, you'd be right. Which one do you think a child's likely to learn from better? If you think Play-Doh, you'd be right. That's 2 scores Play-Doh. None for the card. So that's why we get Play-Doh out. Try and get away from some of these verbs that we can learn through cards and actually do the activities with your children. Play-Doh is one of those because it gives us so many things we can work on. So there's 3 big things that we can work on when we're playing with Play-Doh. The first one is what I call our social and some of our emotional skills. So some of those social skills might be, you might build some towers. So you might put one ball there and you have a go and you put another one on. Your turn. And the child puts it on. Your turn, you put another one on. So you've got turn taking. Another social skill that you can do, it might be about giving your child some choice. So it might be, do you want the green one or do you want the pink one? Green or pink, so you're giving them choice. You might be able to also help them to learn how to copy some of your actions, start to imitate you. Which if they're copying your actions, then they're going to start copying more of your words. So you might start rolling something. You might go, look, rolling, rolling. And then they grab the Play-Doh and they start rolling. So they're copying you. So there's some social things that we could start to see happening from it. We can also, when we've got Play-Doh, look at their understanding or their receptive language skills. So we could work on following directions. So it might be, pick up the pink one and roll it into a ball. Okay, simple direction. It might be about position words. So I've got some cups, I could say, pick up the pink Play-Doh and put it in the cup. And the child comes along and they put it in the cup or the bowl, probably more a bowl. Or you might say, pick up the green and the pink Play-Doh and put them in the bowl. Or you might say, put them in the yellow bowl. And the child has to choose and follow that direction. At the same time, you're working on those position words of in, or you could say take them out of the bowl, out. You could be working on size words like make it a big ball, like this one, or a little ball, like this. So we've got size words happening there as well. As well as we can be working on lots of vocabulary. So this is where we're coming on to our expressive language skills. So we could have those size, like big and little, or long, and making a really long snake. Or we could be working on verb words like stretch. Oh, it broke. Oh, it broke again. Or squeeze. Or cut with a nice plastic knife. So there's lots of words we can be talking about if we sit down and play with our child with Play-Doh. Because they're involved in the experience, they're going to learn more. They're going to be happier, and you're going to have a nice time connecting with your child. So hopefully that was helpful for you, and next time you sit down or your child wants to play with Play-Doh, rather than freaking out about them mixing the colours, think about all the positive benefits you can do as well. If you found that helpful, then share it amongst your friends. Thanks, guys.